did it at my birthday party.
Why are you crying?
Huh?
Show Peyton your new shirt.
You want a hug? Jenna?
She was just fine when she was sitting next to me.
No.
Was it right to left?
Don't go into the light.
Laura, please. Oh God. Sorry, I'm like dying right now. Oh God. It's the way nobody's even noticing but you. Laura, please. I don't want to be my papa. Mom, I'm dying. I don't know. It went down the wrong pipe. No, I keep coughing. Stop looking at me. I'm fine.
Your first cough
I need a hug. Well, it's cause I started. It's cause I was standing up, and then I put my plate down. And I went to go get me a drink, but I was still chewing. No, I'm just hot. I was still chewing. All right. You know what? I'm making clips of everybody being evil to me, cause I got y'all on camera. Nah. Yeah, I got you on camera. Say something mean.
Fuck you.
Look.
You don't have my consent.
Are you coughing too? Don't look at her. Give her some privacy. Don't look at her. Give her some privacy.
The looks of shame you get when coughing are diabolical.
He laughed and I sucked him.
Girl, I started walking and it went down the wrong pipe. God. Pay, me and you are one and the same.